Alright, so this is the third video now, picking up from where we left off. I think I'm set. I think we need to do a couple more things. I want to add the sort of pop-up displays to show the radian markings, and then we can maybe move on to the secant. So I'm going to turn the chord off and the grid off just so it's not distracting me, and I'm going to look for a ray. So I'm going to just draw one in. I don't know if I had one already. I'm going to draw this ray in, and then I just want to start rotating this thing. So I'm going to move up here to the transformation tool, so rotate around a point, and it'll say select an object to rotate, then the center, then enter the angle. So the object to rotate, then the center, and then it should prompt me for the angle, and I want to do 180 over pi, which should just give me, those two are equivalent in degrees and in radians. So if I do that, it should give me 1 radian. And I don't, this point, I don't know if it'll allow me to do it as I move forward. Now I want to do another rotation, so I want to do this ray, this center, and by 180 divided by pi, and say OK. And it looks like it still gives it to me, but that's all right. So rotate again. And 180 over pi. And I think I just clicked the wrong button there. Say OK, there we go. All right, and then I'm going to try to hide these points. Let's see, D double prime, let's see. I don't know why those other ones didn't show up in order, so alright, then I'm going to move this point back, and now what I want to do is build the intersections between the red arc and these rays that show me where the radians are. So I'm going to move this out. I'm going to be really careful here. I don't want this circle to be the intersection, so I'm going to turn that circle off for now, spin this around, and then I'm going to select the intersections. And then we'll do that same thing we did when we were doing this on the transformed arc over here. And now we just double click on the, or right click, go to object properties. Remember, you got to change the caption to be 1. You have to say show label and have that be caption, and then it should be set that shows up as 1. And a 2. And that's not the right one. It's a little crowded over there. I can't quite figure out which. Intersection. Right click on it. Object properties. There we go. And this one should be 6. Show label caption. I think that's the wrong one. Yep. There we go.
They don't think that works. Oh yeah, it works.
All right. And then I just don't want to show this label or object. Oh no, I didn't want to show that object. I don't want to show that label. And I lost it now. So that was under points. Let's see if it's E. There we go. So I don't want to show that label. And I don't want to show these objects, so I can just go ahead and hide all these rays. Sorry, just got interrupted by knocking the door, and I think that's it now. So if I just hit play, we can check and make sure that everything shows up like it should. Should be able to just grab the caption if you want to move it, sort of put it outside the circle. So again, these displays should be showing up. I'll pause it this time when it gets close to finished, just to make sure that I've got all these where I want them, and this would probably be a good time to make sure that it actually aligns, that when you change your radius size, that it still updates the way you want it to. So move that, grab that 6. Nope, that's right. So let's change the radius and make sure that everything, so that looks like it works well. Okay, so I'm going to take a break, so I'll take a stop there and we'll pick up from there in a couple minutes, and we'll do the tangent function next.